simplify 2 upon 3 the whole cube into 2 upon 3 the whole raised to minus 2 into 1 upon 2 square the whole raised to minus 2 into 1 upon 24 the whole upon 2 upon 3 raised to minus 5 into 3 upon 2 raised to minus 12. Now solve each one separately, it becomes easier. See here, 2 upon 3 common, bases same, indices to be added. So 2 upon 3 raised to 3 minus 2. Okay, this one is what? 1 upon 2, 2 into 2, 4. 1 upon 2 raised to minus 4, right? 1 upon 24 as it is. Upon. Now 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. Why? Because we want to make this minus 5 as plus 5. So 3 upon 2 raised to 5 into, now this will again become get reversed, 2 upon 3 raised to 12, right? That's why this minus becomes plus. Okay. Next, 2 upon 3 raised to 3 minus 2 is 1 as it is, then 2 upon 3. Then here 1 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 1, that is 2, and raised to 4 because minus 4 becomes plus 4 into 1 by 24. Then this 2 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 7. How come? See this, 2 raised to 5 below and 2 raised to 12 above in the denominator only. So 5 and 7, 5 and 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Similarly for this, 3 raised to 12 below, 3 raised to 5 above. So bring 3 below. So it becomes upon 3 raised to 7. Okay, now keep denominator for some time as it is. Check only numerator. Okay, what is it? 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 2 is what? 2 raised to 5. Okay, and 24 and 3. Keep it as it is for now. Now let's solve numerator and denominator together now. So 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7. This 3 raised to 7 goes up. Right? Why? A upon B upon C equals to AC upon B. Right? So 2 upon 5 into 3 raised to 7 upon 2 raised to 7, this one, into 24 into 3. Right? Equals to 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7 upon 2 raised to 7 into 24 will be 8 3s are 24 into 3. Okay. Now 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7 upon 2 raised to 7 into 8 is what? 2 cube. 2 raised to 3 into 3 becomes 3 square. Bring everything in terms of 2 and 3. Okay. Next. So now club all 2 and 3. So what remains? 3 raised to 7 above, 3 raised to 2 below. So 2 goes up. It becomes 3 raised to 7 minus 2, that is 5. 2 raised to 5 above and 2 raised to 10 below. How come 10? 2 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 3. So bases same, indices can be added. 7 plus 3, 10. So 2 raised to 5 above, 2 raised to 10 below. So bring this 5 below. It becomes 10 minus 5. So 2 raised to 5. So what remains? 3 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 5. And that is what? 243 upon 32. What is 243? 3 raised to 5 is 243. 2 raised to 5 is 32. See here, this you need to remember. I'll show you just now what are the powers which are needed to you throughout your competitive exams, throughout your life. Let's first complete this. So the final answer is 243 upon